Welcome to Beyond the Archers, where we highlight student experiences from our student athletes, as well as all of our incredible Southwest ISD students. And today we're in the kitchen at Southwest Legacy, where many of our students are hungry for a culinary future. We're here with Chef McCluskey, who is very much running the things here at the kitchen at Southwest Legacy, would you say?
I'm one of the two. It's me and Chef Costas as well. So we run the culinary department. We have about 200 something students.
And I am here with Victor.
Yes, Victor Davis, junior in Culinary Pathway.
Wonderful. So Victor, being a junior, how have you, enjoyed this experience in the culinary pathway here at Southwest Legacy?
Well, I've really grown both as a student and just social-wise. It's taught me a lot about time management and just how to organize things in general.
Can you tell us a little bit about some of the awards you've won?
Yeah, so for Skills USA, which isn't a part of the main culinary pathway, I entered for restaurant service and for Quiz Bowl. I got second place in both.
What has been your favorite dish to make? I know I'm a big foodie. What's been your favorite that maybe is a go-to when you leave the walls of school as well?
One of my favorite dishes to make was the hot and spicy chicken burger.
What's kind of your words of wisdom to those maybe interested?
I'd say definitely try it. It's a lot of hard work and responsibility, but it is so worth it. Like, even as soon as sophomore year, believe me, you will experience the benefits of joining the culinary pathway.
And now I am here with Faye Serta here in our culinary pathway at Southwest Legacy. How has your time been during all of this? What kind of memories have you made?
I've made some really good friendships. Just like being on a team, lots of teamwork is involved.
What's been one of your favorite new recipes that you've tried or have learned during this process?
I really liked making empanadas last year. We had a little festival competition, and that's what me and my partner decided to make.
What are some of the main key points you should keep track of in the kitchen at home?
The two most important things for me, like for a beginner, would be definitely checking the temperatures on your food, because if it's not cooked through, you can get somebody sick. And then cleanliness. Nobody really wants a dirty kitchen,
Well, looks like I might have burned that one, but I'm not one of the incredible chefs here, nor am I one of the incredible students in the culinary department here at Southwest Legacy. I'll leave that up to the pros. However, this has been another episode of Beyond the Arches, where we highlight student stories and student activities here at Southwest ISD. So like always, we are Southwest.